Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We have got your weekly specials this week. All of these items have already been discounted on this listing. So go ahead and click the weekly specials, get them at the discounted price, and take in some bargains. So we want to highlight some things you maybe haven't seen in a while and also show you some things that we'd put major discounts on, up to even $10 on some of the items. So we have our top 12 here in our weekly specials. So let's go ahead and check them out. All right, here are weekly specials. When you first go to hookedonpickin.com, it scrolls through multiple different pictures. If you see this one, you can click the Go Now button. But if you end up showing up and it's only right on one of these pictures, you just simply go to your shop, drop-down menu, hit weekly specials, or just scroll down, and there's our weekly specials right there. So let's go ahead and click on that right now. How amazing is that? So this is our weekly specials, and they're all been populated in there with the discounted prices. So what do we have in our weekly specials? I love this fountain. It is gorgeous. It's actually rather large and it's easy to ship. So 13.25 inches tall. So it's taller than a ruler. $49.99. This is our item that we have discounted $10. And so it comes with everything needed to make it function. So it's a gorgeous piece. Really nice. You can put it indoors or outdoors. Has a really nice soothing water sound. As you can see, basically it comes with the plug-in. It's made primarily for indoor use because of the cord, and you put that in there and the pump sits just right down in the bottom, and there's a little straw kind of on the inside that will pull the water up, so you just basically fill it and it does light up at night. So a nice soothing kind of glow in the evening, and so it's a very beautiful fountain. $49.99. And you can have this. That is a steal. All right, then next we have our Minecraft stationery set. We only have a few of these left, but they're at discount at $7.99 to make room for some more of our toys that we're bringing in for Christmas time. So our Minecraft stationery set, just a few, better snatch it up. Then we have our glow stick. We have various different shapes, but unfortunately only the star is left. So you can get them in various different colors. So you just simply pick star. They're only 99 cents a piece. Great stocking stuffer, and they do glow. They look like this, and you can get various different colors. So the star will not always be blue. Sometimes it can be pink and green and yellow as well. So they'll be coming in a variety. So I think we have 8 left. So you can go ahead and snatch them all up if you want. Then we have the 45-piece art set with watercolor cakes. Comes with everything you see here. Comes with 12 crayons, 6 graphite pencils, 12 colored pencils, 12 pan watercolor palette pencils, and 2 sharpeners. And so $3.49 for those. That's a steal. Then we have one more of these beautiful leather crossbody bags. They are super functional. The light brown is the only color we have left, but they are really, really super nice, and they have good quality to them, and they're not going to fall apart. So a great crossbody bag, and this is the one left that we have. Then we have our My Little Pony. This is a watch nail set, and so this is really, really cool. Let me get a different picture here so we can see it a little bit better. There we go. My Little Pony lip gloss watch and nail set. And so it comes with four colors of nail polish. It includes a nail file and a lip gloss watch. So you pop open that middle section and you got lip gloss in there. So it's a great fun gift set, $6.99. Then we have one more left of our Celtic cross leather journal. All of the pages are uneven because they've been hand cut. It does have this nice little lock on it, and it is leather bound. Very gorgeous piece. It's 5x7s inside and 1 inch thick, and it has the textured vintage paper in it. So it's amazing. $14.99. We have one more left, and we can no longer get these. Then we have the Pin the Nose on the Snowman Christmas game for $1.49. We do have quite a few of these available, but I thought let's put them on here since Christmas is coming up. This would be great to occupy the kids. Really fun game, and so $1.49 for the Pin the Nose on the Snowman Christmas game. Then we have, these are amazing if you are breastfeeding moms. So we have the Soothies breast gels for breastfeeding. Basically, it really helps if you've got any kind of chafing of any sort. So $1.99. I think we've got about 3 of these left. They can be reused up to 72 hours. So go ahead and buy them out if you need them. $1.99 is all we're asking for those. Then we have these women's 2-piece clothing lot. You will get 2 pair of either pants, capris, shorts, or skirts, or a mismatch of any. So it's only $7.99. You can choose your size here. So we have the extra small size 0, extra small size 2, small size 4, small size 6, medium size 8, medium size 10, large times 12, and an extra large 16. So you can pick any one you want, and you will get just kind of hand-picked pants, capris, shorts, or skirts can be in there, but they're basically a 2-piece clothing lot for bottoms only. Then we have our white-tailed deer buck gift night, 4 inches in size. It comes with this cool oak box. Beautiful picture here, and the picture on both sides of the stainless steel foldable blade. So this is a nice gift idea, especially comes with a gift box. $6.99 for that, and that is already discounted. Then we have one more left of the 3XL. This is a women's sleeveless multi-colored striped bodycon dress. It does hug your figure, and so a really nice piece for you, $7.99, and the only one we have left is a 3XL, so snatch it up quick before it's gone. So hopefully you loved all of the things you saw on hookedonpickin.com in the weekly specials, and you'll find some amazing items to get at a steal. Check out the rest of our store. We're running a special right now, Fall 10, Fall, and the number 10, no spaces in there, and you'll get 10% off even the weekly specials. So check that out. If you order over $100 on hookedonpickin.com, you will get free shipping if you live inside the United States. So free shipping on orders $100 or more. Hopefully you had fun and you had an awesome day watching the weekly specials. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory, how to create my first listing, how to sell my items, and then of course I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.